friends, today I'm going to tell you how to change your cursor to a macOS cursor in very simple few steps. So first you open the link which I gave you in the description and you hit the download button. I hit it so it got downloaded. So in the file explorer I unzipped it. So let me open it. So it has all the things. So in install, you select install, then you click on open. Yes. So it got the administrator permissions. So now you go in settings and then you go in devices. Now you go in mouse and you go to additional mouse options. So it has del touchpad buttons, pointer option, wheel and hardware. You go to pointers and it has selected scheme none. You select EI capital. So you click on enable pointer shadow because you need the real look of macOS. So you click on yes. Okay. So you can see my cursor has been changed. Now, please subscribe my channel, Divid's Techno. Bye friends, meet you next in my next video. Bye.